Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MHA647. I want to do this short little explanation video just to introduce you to the discussion boards in our class. So the first discussion board will start on Wednesday, August 28th. We'll run for 7 days until Wednesday, September 4th. And it's going to take on a little bit different flavor because there are 6 of you in the class. And so it's a really small and intimate group. Each of the discussion boards will be based on an article or a case relevant to the theme. So the theme for the week is ethics, an ethics issue having to do with data privacy and security. And if you look on the Blackboard site, this article here from Health Affairs from last year, having to do with third-party tracking of hospital websites, is going to be the focus of our discussion. So the first thing is to go over the article. It's very interesting. They've done the researchers done a really phenomenal job at looking at, massive amounts of hospitals and this third-party tracking data, which you're probably actually familiar with because in our own lives, we have so much third-party tracking happening when we use different websites for commerce purposes or all kinds of transactions, and so this will be brought up in the content, but we're going to focus on this for the discussion board. So I'm going to start with a couple questions based on this article. And really over the course of the 7 days, I'm not mandating that, I think you've been in enough courses, perhaps even as an undergrad, who knows, but certainly in the MHA program where you're supposed to post once or twice and respond, we're not doing that because there's such a small group of us. Really just want to have a conversation about this. It will always start with if you have an experience with this personally and professionally. So I'm just giving you a little bit of heads up. What are your initial thoughts? And then institutions that you work for or you receive care from, or you've taken your children or older adults in your life to, how do you sort of see that? And we're going to go really share examples. So that's really going to be the process, not engage you or not ask you to post on the discussion board of what do you think only, but what's been your experience, especially as a user. There's going to be a big user focus of how privacy risks might emanate from this, trying to be as practical as possible. And we'll go from Wednesday to Wednesday. Okay. All right. Thanks very much. We'll see you on the discussion board. It'll start on August 28th. Take care.